Welcome to the TKO Financial Wellness Brunch. This is the third edition. We started in 2022. This is the third one because we did not have one in 2024. And I'm very excited, nervous, emotional, but also very happy because not only is this the third edition, this is our 10th year anniversary, which makes it very exciting.
How do we engage with money when it comes to our friends? Do we happily lend our friends money? And are we scared to ask for it in return?
Let's have emergency fund, guys. Let's have emergency fund. Put some savings. Remember, how you always have a spare wheel. How many times have you used it? Maybe 2 times, maybe I'll say 7 days. But it's always there. Emergency fund is all of it. Let's have emergency fund, and it's like a tusa, definitely it's like a tusa.
We can't control what happens in our lives, but we control who we are, and we control our resilience, and we control how we respond to these things that happen.
Question for you is this: do you own things right now that if something was to go wrong, you can exchange for money? If the answer is no, you are in trouble, because the world can change just like that. We saw with COVID, the world's changed. A lot of people didn't take care of their net worth. They had jobs that were good, but then they didn't have things they could exchange for money.
When you're looking at investing, is you saying, do I want to be in an investment vehicle that is a passive one where I just put my money in the asset management account and then it's growing, right? Do I want it to be an active investment, be it a business that I'm involved in, or are you a silent partner in someone else's investment or business that you know I can see potential growth in this particular business?
Please get married properly. I don't nyale an asset. But Luena ube an asset. Because you can't want to stick in your lane. You are a mess and you want to date people that are not a mess with their finances.